This is a short video about area and perimeter. So area is the amount of space that a shape covers, and perimeter is the distance around the shape. So if we look at our diagram, we've got a rectangle split into 8 separate squares, and each one of those squares is 1 centimetre long. So just by counting we can work out the area. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the area of the rectangle is 8 centimetres squared. We write a little 2, and that shows that it's an area of 1 centimetre squared times 8. So we have 8 centimetres squared. Now the perimeter is when we go round the shape. So if I move across here, I've moved 1 centimetre, 2 centimetres, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12 centimetres all the way round the shape. So the perimeter is 12 centimetres. Now notice for area we write centimetres squared because it's a whole surface that we're measuring, whereas perimeter is just centimetre because it's length that we're measuring. So they're quite different. So centimetre squared is like a tile, whereas centimetre is just a length. Now, can we find a quicker way of doing this problem? Well, instead of counting, we could multiply. So we should notice that the length of one of the sides is 4, and the length of the other side is 2. Now you remember that we counted 8 squares, but we could find that out by multiplying. So we could do the two lengths together. 4 times 2 gives me 8 centimetres squared. That was 4 centimetres times 2 centimetres gives us 8 centimetres squared. So if we want to find out the area of a rectangle, we multiply the two lengths, the 4 times the 2. Now what about the perimeter? Well, the perimeter is the distance all the way around the shape. So if I start here and move across, it's 4 plus 2, and this of course is 4 as well because it's the same length as the opposite side, so I'll write that in. Put 4 there, and this length here is 2 as it's opposite the other side, and when you have a rectangle the opposite sides are equal. So rather than counting 1, 2, 3 as we did before, we can add our sides together. So it's 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, and that comes to 12. There is another way we can do this. Because we know that we've got two sides that are the same, we could also do this by doing 2 times the two different side lengths added together. So 2 times 4 plus 2. Now 4 plus 2 is 6, so our perimeter is 2 times 6 is 12. So you can do it either way, and you'll find out the perimeter of your rectangle.